Hi there, my name is Austin Hollenbaugh and I'm here to demonstrate my app called Cradle. This app was inspired by my experience working for WIC, Women, Infants, and Children, as a lactation specialist. When I worked there, the only method of communication we had with our clients, unless they came into the clinic, was through phone calls. And I thought that we might get a higher contact rate if we were able to chat online with some of these new moms. So I built this app using the same stack, SQL, Angular, Node, Express, as well as Passport's Google and Facebook OAuth for login and Socket.io for the chat functionality. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. You can see I have two browser windows sitting right next to each other here. This one on the left is already logged in with admin privileges. You can see my Facebook profile picture here, as well as a logout drop-down menu. But we're going to log in as a client on this right side. So we're going to go ahead and sign in with Google. I've already approved this app to access my profile information, so it just redirects us to the home page. You can see on the home page here, we've got just some basic info about WIC itself and the breastfeeding support program. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the chat. So we'll click through to the chat. On this page, so this app is built using several event listeners, listening for button clicks and whatnot. So when the user clicks this button to chat with a peer counselor, it adds them to a queue, a list of users who are waiting to chat with the next available peer counselor. This modal pops up, and that will stay here until the peer counselor clicks a button to redirect both of them to a chat page. So over here you can see this is the admin page. When we click this button, it will do a couple of things. First of all, it will grab the next user off of the queue, and after it's done that, it will generate a unique identifier for the chat room that they will be in, so that it will be a private chat just between the two of them. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the console here so we can see the room ID being generated. So we're going to go ahead and click Get Next Client. It generates a unique room ID here, and then it redirects both users into the chat room. Additionally, that room ID is being stored in local storage. When the page was refreshing to take both users to the chat, this room ID was being lost. So it's being stored here, and then it's grabbed to direct both users to the chat rooms. You can see that we can chat using either the enter button to send a message or clicking the send button. And you can also see, again looking at the console, that these messages are being stored in the database with a timestamp, the user ID, a message ID, the message itself, room ID, so on. The great thing is that we could also do this again, and it would be completely independent of the previous chat room. So we're going to go ahead and click that we want to chat. Peer counselor clicks to say that they're ready. It redirects both users to a chat room, and from here we can chat again. And these messages, you can see, are not intermingled with this other chat room. So that is my app. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks so much for watching.